Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and this is my fitness channel where I share my fitness journey with you guys and also emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'll be showing you a day in my life on my time of the month. I'll be sharing with you some filling, satiating meals that I like to eat to prevent excessive snacking, which is something I struggle with during my period. You will also see me take a walk, which is the main way I've been moving my body these days. And I'll even spend some time just tidying up my space. If you're new here, I've had to take some time off from the gym to heal a reoccurring back injury, so I've been trying to focus on the things I can do versus being upset that I can't lift the way that I used to. Not every single day is easy, but having a game plan, creating a to-do list definitely helps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the content. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna write a to-do list. I kind of have a draft one, but I'm definitely the kind of person who really likes to write it down physically and check off the boxes. One thing I really want to get done today is tidy my room and film. That's the main thing I want to get done. So that's quite a long list. Stuff like this is actually a good amount of stuff on my to-do list. It's little things, but they're definitely going to be things that take time. I do want to go for a walk this morning as well. It's just about 8 a.m. right now, so it's only 41 outside at the moment. So I think I'm going to go into the kitchen and do a couple of kitchen stuff, things I need to do in the kitchen. So I want to just go through some of our older food in the fridge and dump that out. And I also want to unload the dishwasher, so get all the dishes put away and then make breakfast. Taking the week off from the gym, I don't think I ever really said anything to anybody about that, but I decided to take at least 1 full week off from the gym for my back. I just feel like it's gonna be the best move for me right now to take some time off. I also got an inflammation tamer from the same juice shop yesterday to help with the inflammation in my back. And I actually think it helps, so I did put it on my list to go. It's not like super high priority, but I would like to get at least maybe 2 more shots of that I can take throughout the week. Despite me taking off from the gym, my main form of exercise is going to be going on walks. So like I said, I want to go on a morning walk today and probably an afternoon/evening walk. It doesn't get dark till past 7 now, and because we eat dinner so early, there's time after dinner to go for a walk, and that's one of my favorite times to walk. It feels like you're just really aiding that digestion, and it just feels really nice to get outside, see the sun setting, and it definitely supports my circadian rhythm. So my sister is doing laundry right now, so this may have to wait, but I do think I'm just going to work on this. Actually dump the trash too. So my room isn't necessarily a mess, but there's just stuff like that needs to be placed. So I did move my mirror here. My dresser used to be there, but I switched places because this allows better lighting as the sun shifts for my plants. So I kind of just need to like make this look better. I also need to dump my trash. Since I moved my dresser, it looks a hot pipey mess, so I just need to like style it, reorganize it, make it look really nice. I've got tons of books and tons of plants, so I kind of just need to figure out my game plan for that. I also have this carpet cleaner in here, which I've had in here for days now, to clean my carpet, so I need to get that all prepped and fill it up and get that ready to go. I'm also thinking about like getting rid of this whole corner situation, so I'm going to decide what to do with that hopefully today. And then like the last place I'd say that I need to like tidy up in my room is this weird little area at the end of my bed. I've got a bag of books that I got from the library the other day. I have like some mail, some old planners and stuff that just need to be sorted through and that need homes. And then I just also want to kind of like restyle this with plants, maybe different books. I'm not sure, we'll see. But those are the main things I need to get done in my room. So I got this in my subscription box this month. It smells really nice. So this is how I decided to style my dresser. I just flipped those books up the other way. I ended up putting my diffuser over here. But when I use it, I can just kind of pull it out, but I kind of like that it's tucked away and it can act as a bookend. And then I just have some cottage greenhouse and library of flower stuff I got in my Margot Elena subscription box, which they're just like beautiful things. Like this looks so beautiful. I love everything from Margot Elena. And then the body oil, and this is the luminary that came this month. So I have like a candle or two in my room. I just like the ambiance and the smell. And then I just have my arrowhead plant up here. And then this is my spray bottle. This is literally just water, you guys. I just wiped this down with some water. I'm happy with how this looks. And I did end up tucking my wallet and my sunglasses behind here, so it's easily accessible when I leave, but it's also kind of tucked out of the way. So I'm going to work over here and get all this stuff straightened up. I definitely need levels down here. Like I definitely might need to get another plant stand or two, just to add some more levels. But this is where the sun comes in, and then if you have if you're a plant person, you can utilize mirrors to reflect light into your room. So that's why I thought it was a good idea to move my mirror. Yeah, so this is what I ended up doing over here. Just kind of straightening out, spritz my plants a bit. And now I need to work on this stuff. I have accounts payable, receivables. That's how I keep things kind of organized. Then I have this plant. This spot, strangely enough, in my room gets good sun, so I think that it will do well here. I know it probably barely looks different to you guys. I have mostly tidied up my room, which feels fantastic. Mark that off. Style dresser. I'm hungry, so I need to go make some lunch. I'm thinking I'm gonna have like a little turkey sub.
your heart. Keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out and stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cookie. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try
It'll be a little bit
being on
easier.
your own side for once. For once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. For once. But sometimes you fall.